Hello there, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review WP Login Lockdown, which is one security plugin for your WordPress website that will help you to protect your website from hackers, from bad guys, and from bots. They're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and see, code 1 pricing is only 59 USD. Here you can have all these features here, and 5 websites you can have. That means on 5 websites you can install this plugin. You can have centralized dashboard for controlling sites, licenses, and IP access list. But if you want white labeling feature, then you have to get code 2. And if you want rebranding feature, no code editing feature, then you have to upgrade to code 3. And see, this software has gotten 20 reviews on AppSumo. Everyone is giving here 5-star review. So I think the software is really good, guys. And I have installed this plugin on my website only one day ago, and within this one day I have gotten some amazing statistics and some amazing values with the help of this plugin that I will show you after some time. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of WP Login Lockdown and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for us. So guys, this is the dashboard of WP Login Lockdown. At first, what you have to do, you have to just click here on this download plugin, and the plugin will be downloaded here. As you can see, the plugin is downloading here. So let me stop the download because I have already downloaded it. And then what you have to do, you have to simply go to the plugin section of your website, and from here you have to install and activate this plugin. I have already installed and activated. As you can see, Login Lockdown Pro. This plugin you have to install and activate, and I hope you know how to do such things actually. And whenever you will install this plugin, then if you go to this setting and if you go to this Login Lockdown section, then you will get this type of interface. And from here you can see lots of statistics. As you can see, I have installed this plugin only one day ago on my website, and now we can see number of lockdown. That means people tried to log in, and because of incorrect password or because of incorrect username, they have been logged out because they tried frequent time, and every time it was wrong information. So this WP login lockdown has logged their IP so that they cannot log in or cannot try to log in again from this similar IP actually. And from here you can see from this country, which is my country, and this is actually me. I tried from my mobile or from another device to log in to my website with a wrong credential, and after 3 attempts it locked my IP address actually. Hope you get idea, guys. And if from other countries any other wrong credential login has come here, then this WP login lockdown will block or lock this IP actually. Hope you get idea. And all these lockdowns you can see from here. Now if you want to unlock them, you can just unlock them from here. As you can see, they have unlock option. So these are the things. You can see this person's IP address, you can see the user agent, that means the browser and the device type. You can see the reason of lockdown. As you can see here, it's saying too many fails. So these are the things you can see actually. And see, there have the lockdown chart. If you want to disable it, you can disable it. Then there have the lockdown stat. You can disable or enable it also from here. Then they have failed logins. As you can see, from Germany 25% failed login have, from Bangladesh 25%, from India 12.5%, from Spain 6.3%, from Japan 6.3%, from United Kingdom 6.3%, from Finland 6.3%, from France 6.3%, and from Netherlands 6.3% failed logins happened on my website in just one day. And you can see who is username they have used here. As you can see here, Siam, this is one username that has been used from Germany, and from this IP address I think their user agent was Firefox 58 on Windows 10, and reason was incorrect password. And see, this is one another username. This person was from India, and the reason was invalid username. And this is admin, as you can see, from United Kingdom. He also tried to log in, and because of invalid username he cannot log in actually. So as you can see, from France, from Spain, from India, from Bangladesh, we have gotten a lot of login attempt, but they could not log in here because of invalid username or because of incorrect password. You can also see who is username they are using. As you can see, who is username they are using, you can see from here. Hope you get idea, guys. And here all the previous login or all the login attempt you will be able to see. Hope you get idea, guys. Here in this way these things will work. And if you want to search something, you can search something from here. And if you want to hide these statistics from here, you can hide these statistics also, but I will recommend you to keep these statistics here actually. Hope you get idea. So these are the activity that happened. You will be able to see the activities from here. Hope you get idea. Then they have login protection. You can from here select maximum login retries. That means number of failed login attempt within the retry time period restriction needed to trigger a lockdown. That means here you can set up 3, 4. That means if anyone um, failed to log in 3 times in a row, then his IP address will be logged actually. And then they have retry time period restriction. You can here select for how much time he will be logged actually. And then lockout length you can select. Log fail attempt with non-existent username you can enable. Then you can enable the mask login error. That means you can hide login error detail like invalid username, invalid password, invalid captcha value to minimize data available to attackers. Hope you get idea. And this one is very important because let's say they have added one username and they have gotten the notification like invalid username, then they are sure that this is not the username, so they will not try this username one more time actually. Hope you get idea. So this type of data the attackers will not get also. Then they have block time. You can completely block website access for the attacker. You can only block access to the login page for the attacker. You can select anyone. I have selected the second one. And then block message you can change from here, and you can whitelist any IP address if you want. And then they have show credit login. So you can show the credit login. That means it's protected by WP login lockdown. If you want to show it, you can show it. And then just click on the save changes. Then there have advanced option like login URL. You can change the login URL. Generally the login URL is like that. As you can see, passivern.com/WP admin, right? Like that. Generally the login URL is like that, WP admin. But if you want to change it, you can change it very easily. Let me show you. As you can see, let's say here I will give it like what can I give? Let's say ABC, just for testing purpose. Now if I just click on this save changes, then let's see what happened. As you can see, ABC will be added. Now if I try to log in from another browser, let me try. As you can see here, this is on another browser, and here let's say I will use this one, passivern.com/WP admin, and I hope it will not work now. Yes, see, it's not working. It's redirecting me to the home page. But if I try this one, passivern.com/ABC, then see here, yes, this is the login page. So in this way, your login page URL you can change also from here. Login URL you can change from here similarly. And then they have password check. So test user password. That means you can check if any user has a weak password that is vulnerable to common brute force dictionary attacks. So you can test it from here. Then they have anonymous activity login. You can enable it. That means logging anonymously means IP addresses of your visitor are stored as a hashed value. This user's country and user agent are still logged, but without the IP, these are not considered personal data according to GDPR. So you can enable these things. You can enable the log password. You can enable the block bots. Yes, definitely we want to block any bots. Then block login attempt with non-existing username. So you can block it also. Then they have add honeypot for bots. So you can enable it, and that means add a special hidden honeypot field to the login form to catch and prevent bots from attempting to log in. This does not affect the way human login, nor does it add an extra step. So these are the things you can enable. Then cookie lifetime you can increase like 14 days, 30 days, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, etc. And then enable Cloudflare IP header. You can enable it from here. If enable, then IP will be retrieved from this server instead of this server actually. And then you can disable REST API protection. And then they have show admin menu. So you can show the login lockdown menu to administrator in admin bar. That means here, as you can see here, this is login lockdown menu, it's showing. You can enable or disable it. And then wipe data on plugin delete. So if you enable it, then login lockdown option rules and all log tables will be deleted when the plugin is deleted. So these are the things that you want to enable, and then just make sure that you have clicked here on this save changes. These changes will be saved. So these are the things that we have gotten here in this advanced section. Then they have tools, and here they have email test. That means you can send an email to test that you can receive emails from your website. So you can send the test email. Then they have recovery URL. In any case, if you logged out by this WP login lockdown, then with the help of this recovery URL you can disable the lockdown. Hope you get idea. And then import setting, you can import setting from other website of this WP login lockdown. Then they have export setting. You can download the setting of this website's WP login lockdown from here. Hope you get idea about this login protection. These are the basic, advanced, and tools section. And activity section we have discussed previously. Then they have farewell, and here in the farewell section they have lots of other options. You can enable this options like block bad bots, directory traversal you can enable, then HTTP response splitting you can enable. So these are the advanced thing, and see they have the step-by-step instruction. What does this mean, how it works? So you have to simply read it. If I want to read these things here in this video, then the video will be so boring, but these things you can protect actually from here. Similarly, they have two-factor authentication setting, they have Captcha setting, they have cloud protection setting. So these are the things that you will get. You can have country blocking. That means, as you can see, top countries: Bangladesh 25%, Germany 25%. Here in graphical view you can see from here, and you can block a specific country, or you can block all countries except some specific country. As you can see, blocking mode, disable country based blogging. You can enable this one, whitelist mode, allow selected countries, block all others. Or you can have blacklist mode, block selected countries, allow all others. Let's say I will use this one, whitelist mode. That means allow selected countries, block all others. So here I will insert randomly. Let's say I will allow Argentina, I will allow, let's say, Australia, I will allow, let's say, Bangladesh. So if I enable it, that means only from these countries people can visit on this website. From other countries people will not be able to visit on this website. Hope you get idea, but I do not want to do it. You can do it. I will use this one. I will use the first one. And see, country block type, only block access to the login page, you can enable it, or completely block website access, you can enable this one also if you want. Hope you get idea. And then they have design, and from this design section what you can do, you can design or redesign your login page. It's not mandatory, but if you want you can do. Let me go to this design section. As you can see here, this is a design section, and then they have different design or different template. You can enable the customizer from here, or you can disable it. And see, these are the designs that are available, and you can change the logo from here. You can change the form color, form height, form padding. You can change the form background image. Everything is changeable with the help of this design section. You can change the fields, you can change the button setting, you can change the background. You can also insert here custom CSS if you want, but it's not mandatory. That's why I do not like to do it, but if you want you can do it. Then they have temporary access, and you can create temporary link for temporary access actually here. And then here in the license section you will be able to see your license. As you can see here, this is the license section, and here this is the license key, and so these things you will be able to see. Hope you get idea, but it's not the end. Let me go to the dashboard. Here in the dashboard section you can see your total number of code. You can see total number of website where it has been activated, and you can manage your sites from here. If I go to this manage sites section here, if I go to this section here, you will be able to see all the website on which your plugin is installed with the help of your license key. See guys, here on Passivern.com this plugin is installed, and from here also you can see number of failed logins in last 30 days across all site. Hope you get idea. Then they have brands. If I go to this brand section here, I'm saying you don't have privilege to rebrand the plugin. You can rebrand this plugin when if you get code 3. As you can see, if I go to the planning section here, rebranding is available under code 3. I have gotten only code 1 because I need code 1, but if you need to rebrand this plugin and if you want to resell it like unlimited website, you can install, so you can definitely resell it with this rebranding feature, then you have to get this code 3 definitely. And from this section you can rebrand your website, like your plugin, like you can change the name, you can change the colors, you can change everything. You can completely rebrand this plugin and you can market it on your own brand name. Hope you get idea. Then they have cloud protection, and here in the cloud protection section you can whitelist some IP, you can blacklist some IP. Then there have the license option, from where you will get the license key. I'm not going to the license section because here the license key will be visible. I do not want to reveal my license key definitely. So these are the things that you will get here in the dashboard of this WP login lockdown. Hope you get idea guys how this WP login lockdown will work and how it will be helpful for us to protect our website. So if you think guys you need this type of website for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this WP login lockdown lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this WP login lockdown lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this WP login lockdown. It's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional money. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.